Okay girls, now I'm explaining it to you continued proportions. So what are continued proportions? Continued proportions, now here look at this. A is to B proportion. Okay, this 4 dot we read as proportion. We also read as same as. Okay, we read this 4 dot as same as or proportion. You can call it in any way you like it. Okay, so A is to B same as B is to C, A is to B proportion to B is to C, A is to B or B is to C. Now look at it. A is to B is first. Okay, it is first proportion. Very simple. A is to B is the first proportion. Don't look over there. So A is to B is the first proportion. Then B is to B is second proportion. B is to B is second proportion. B is to C is third proportion. Okay, this is third proportion. First proportion is equal to third proportion, and while second proportion is also called as mean proportion. Okay, second proportion is also called mean proportion. You have to learn these terms because when we are solving the question we will use these terms. Okay, we will use these terms. Mean proportion. B 4 dots and then B, this is second proportion which is also called as mean proportion. Usually we do not call it second proportion, we call it mean proportion only. Okay, now look at the example. If it is given to you 1 is to 2, then proportion sign is given to you 2 is to 4. So 1 is to 2 is equal to, as I told you that this is read as same as. So it is equal to 2 is to 4. Okay, it is equal to 2 is to 4. How? 1 is to 2, this is 1 ratio, this is equal to 2 is to 4. And if you can prove also how it is equal to 1 is to 2, when you will reduce 2 is to 4, reduce it here. Simplify it. It will become 1 when you will divide it by 2 times table. 2 ones are 2 is 2, 2 twos are 4. So see, we will get 1 is to 2 only. So 1 is to 2 is equal to 2 is to 4. And what are in continued proportion? 1, then 2, we will not write 2 again, 4. 1, 2 and 4 are 3 quantities of same kind and are in continued proportion. And are in continued proportion. So what you have observed over here, always in continued proportion, this term will be repeating. Okay, this term will be repeating always. Here also if you can see, B is repeating when you write after 4 dots this B. That's how it will become in continued proportion. Okay, like 1 is to 3 is to 4. If I tell you that now show me how they are in continued proportion, so you will say 1 is to 3, 4 dots, 3 is to 4. In this way you will write. It means the center term is repeating in both the ratios. 1 is to 3 and 3 is to 4. Same thing is happening over here. 1 is to 2 is to 4. So this 2 is repeating. Okay, and that's why they are called continued proportion, because they are continued. In the first one it is continued, and then when it combines second proportion it continued, and then third proportion it continued, and that's why it is known as continued proportion. You have to learn the term over here, mean proportion. What is mean proportion? You should know that the number which is written before 4 dots and the number which is written after 4 dots, they are known as mean proportion. Okay, this is mean proportion. Second proportion which is known as mean proportion. They are in continued form, and that's why they are known as continued proportion. If I am writing like this, 5 is to 10, you will say that this 5 is repeating in this continued proportion. It is like this. Okay, very simple. Clear?